Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share some insider tips on how to master stock market research in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, these strategies will help you make smarter investment decisions. So let's dive right in. First things first, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest financial news. I recommend using reliable sources like Bloomberg, Reuters, or CNBC. These platforms provide real-time updates and in-depth analyses that can give you an edge in the market. Trust me, being aware of the latest trends and news can make all the difference. Next up, let's talk about financial statements. Yeah, I know it sounds boring, but understanding a company's financials is key to evaluating its health and growth potential. Focus on the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Look for consistent revenue growth, manageable debt levels, and positive cash flow. These are strong indicators of a solid company. Now let's discuss valuation metrics. Price to earnings, PE ratio, price to book, PB ratio, and dividend yield are some of the most important metrics you need to consider. For instance, a low PE ratio might indicate that a stock is undervalued, but remember, don't rely on a single metric alone. Use a combination to get a comprehensive view of the stock's valuation. Another essential tool for research is technical analysis. This involves studying price charts and using indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD. Technical analysis can help you identify trends and make more informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Don't forget the importance of analyst reports and ratings. While you shouldn't base your decisions solely on these reports, they can provide valuable insights from different perspectives. Check out platforms like Morningstar, Yahoo Finance, or Zacks for detailed analyst opinions. Finally, let's talk about diversification. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification can help you weather market volatility and achieve more stable returns. So there you have it. By staying updated with news, analyzing financial statements, using valuation metrics, applying technical analysis, considering analyst reports, and diversifying your portfolio, you can master stock market research in 2024. Remember, successful trading is all about informed decisions. Happy trading and see you in the next video.